today we are touring a house that is in the southwest part of Las Vegas. It's listed at $430,000, 1,900 square feet, 3-bed, 3-bath.
Yes.
It is also 3 levels. We're checking out this house because it does need some work. So if you're looking for a home to purchase and there's things that you don't like about it, don't be afraid. We're going to go over this house and see what we can repair, what might be worth fixing.
And with such low inventory, a lot of buyers see a house and they think, oh my God, it's too much. Don't fret. If you could budget a certain amount, you could lift the house up, make it look great for a small amount.
And you will, you can end up loving the house and making it your own, feel like home, exactly how you want it. So to me, I think of it as an opportunity because 1, you can get it at a lower price. And 2, you can, like I said, create it and
make
fix
it yourself.
How you like it. So to me, that's a plus. But always know that no matter what, buying property, especially in our town, it might be a little bit higher price now than you think it was, a few years back. But guess what? It's just going to keep going up. So might as well invest now.
Always try to get in when you can because property value will always go up. Even if there's a few years will dip, it will always go back up. So get in while you can.
Exactly. So let's take a look.
Here we are in the kitchen. The house in itself feels dark. There's a lot of dark accents almost everywhere, from the paint colors to the countertops and the black appliances.
Yeah.
So it kind of reduces the visibility of this house.
And they always say the kitchen is the heart of the home, right? Like you wake up, you come to breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything is around the kitchen. So you want to make it brighter. Quite honestly, this house is really good natural light. It's just the paint and the fixtures kind of darken it
down the whole place.
So first thing I would do is obviously paint the cabinets. This island, I would make it 1 level, change the countertops, because who doesn't like a bigger, wider spread island, right? Of
course.
Countertops, paint the cabinets,
I would definitely change out the appliances to stainless steel.
Yeah.
Kind of brighten that up.
And paint the walls, like 100% paint the walls. The walls, even though it's, what do you call this color really? It's like a yellowy.
It's like a yellow.
Beige.
Yeah.
Orangey beige. I don't know how you even call it, but.
It's too dark.
It's dark. Yeah, I would paint it. Definitely need a new sink. It's corroded. New faucet. The blinds are newer, so I mean, it's okay to leave it. That's kind of like the last thing you can change. But first things first, definitely kitchen. I would, like I said, level this out, paint the cabinets, change out the appliances. I mean, we got broken microwave here, so.
We got missing molding along the cabinets, so you definitely want to change that up. But
and the floors. Oh my goodness.
Flooring.
We'll show you the floors, but the floors are pretty bad.
They definitely need replacing in this house.
It's seen better days, definitely.
But yeah, that's definitely something we would do here in the kitchen, and add hardware to the cabinets. That will make it feel a little more luxurious than what it's currently at.
Like none of the drawers have it, so you really have to dig on the sides to open it. But yeah, that's step number 1.
So this area is actually what would you consider the formal dining room area. What I would do here is maybe change out the lighting, have a chandelier light come down for the tables. As you can see, the flooring needs help. You definitely want to brighten it up by putting in a little brighter floors. LVPs tend to be the most popular, most durable options, and they're not that expensive. So you could definitely do the whole house LVP and walk out looking pretty good. And like we said, uniform on the color of the walls. It needs to be brighter, something in the light grays to the whites, almost off-whites. That would be great for that. But that's something that I would do in this area.
So here's the living room. And as you can see, this is a giant fan. I would definitely take this out. Make it smaller, or, put in recessed lighting if you can. Do a little smaller ceiling fan. This is definitely oversized for this this room. Again, paint the walls and the carpet. The carpet looks a little bit newer, but if you're gonna fix that floor, you might as well carry it on over here, just to give some cohesion, you know, in the house. Again, if you're gonna paint everything and change the floor, you just continue, and definitely change out this fan.
So in this area, as you walk in through the house, I would definitely, again, bring that flooring all throughout this area. As you can see, you got tile, you got chipped, broken tiles up front. You want to make it a little more cohesive to the rest of the living area. If you follow me downstairs, keep the flooring coming down through the stairs, and then you have this living space down here. Same thing, floors, match it up to the rest of the house, paint, keep everything cohesive. As you can see, there's plenty of windows out here, there's plenty of natural light, but you can't appreciate it because of how dark it feels. Change out the chandeliers or the fan to, like she said, upstairs, same thing, something a little smaller, something a little more cohesive, and make sure there's more bucket lights throughout this area. Here we have one full bath, and you want to maintain the exact same aesthetics. Paint, flooring, change out the fixtures as well to kind of match everything else.
Okay, here we're in the primary, and look what we have again. I mean, this is just a little too big for this room. Again, paint and flooring. Carpet looks newer, but I mean, if you can live with it for a little bit, it's fine. But, you know, again, if you're gonna dig up everything and change it out, maybe consider changing the bathroom. I mean, the carpets, the bathroom. Here's the bathroom, and you definitely need a lot of work here. There's flooring, definitely needs some attention. Countertops, change out, paint, shower. If you're able to resurface this, do it. It's a nice bigger tub, but fixtures need to be changed out. But for sure, the floors and the countertops and cabinets need to be done.
So in this house, all the bedrooms are on the 3rd floor, and these are the secondary bedrooms over here. We're bringing the same thing throughout the whole house. Paint, flooring, laundromat, bathrooms, and rooms. You want cohesiveness in the flooring. As you can see, there's 4 different types of floors in this space alone. So after touring the house with us, what do you think? Would you take on this project?
It's basically flooring, paint, countertops, and cabinets, right?
And fixtures.
And fixtures. And maybe the ceiling fans. Another thing to consider is this is a tri-level home, meaning there's 3 floors. You saw when we walked in the door, it's split level. You go down to the garage and the living, little living space in the backyard, and then the kitchen and living room is on the 2nd floor. Sometimes tri-levels are appealing to specific families or people, and some people don't like them at all. So it just depends on what you like. But would you consider it? It is a cute listing. 430,000, 1,900 square feet, 3 bed, 3 bath, 2-car garage, backyard.
The neighborhood, I mean, it's well kept. We talked to some of the neighbors. They love the area.
Yeah.
You know, they feel that everybody kind of knows each other in this neighborhood. So if that's something that appeals to you, this definitely will be a great spot for you.
But for the right price, right?
So that would be our job, right? If we could get you the right price on this house, would you take on these renovations to make it your own?
What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. We'll see you next time.
Take care.